Guys, you can see me here, like, trying to, like, show you how, I think, again, I just started learning how to use my Vitamix, so here, I don't know if I had it 100% set up the correct way, and you can see I pureed it. I'm trying to do this one-handedly, unfortunately. Go, go, go. Go, go. Oh, yeah. And that was the sorbet I kind of made with the fruit and everything. Oh my god, it came out so good. So you just put all your ingredients. There's actually like I said, a recipe book that you could follow for tea and make their stuff. Um, I use Greek yogurt, some fruit, frozen fruit, puree it. I even heard that if you, again, like I said, puree it, put it in a container, freeze it, and then take it out and re-puree it. It makes it even like better consistency. Some people like that. Otherwise, I heard eating it straight out is amazing as well. I made acai bowls with it. You can make hot soup in this bad boy. Hot soup, okay? And it makes it hot right in the blender. As I said, the friction, supposedly, or some kind of magic, they work, makes it all the roasted vegetables or any vegetables, cream you put in it, hot soup. So it's like a one-stop shop for all your hot soup, ice cream needs, again, nut butters. You can use it for baby food. It has a self-cleaning mode as well, which I absolutely love, 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 and I am obsessed with.